Hi guys, here's your short video on how to use the Science Journal app on your iPhone or Android or whatever you're using it on. So the app is called Science Journal or Sci Journal, S-C-I Journal. And so when you open it, you'll probably see a screen that looks like this. And you're going to say get started. And then it's going to ask you if you want to sign in. You do not need to sign in. Okay, so you can continue without signing in. And then you'll see a screen that looks like this. I've already started an experiment, but to create a new experiment, you want to just click the X, or excuse me, the plus down at the bottom. Sorry, my new little guest Olive is causing havoc. One moment, please. Okay, I'm back. So when you start a new experiment, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and you want that middle bar, and you want to go to the second option. Just like that. And then you can kind of like swipe the different options, and what we'll go to is the music note. And so once you have the music note up, you'll even notice it's doing it as I'm talking. It'll record a frequency. So this will work the best if you're in a pretty quiet space away from any other outside noises. Otherwise, it picks up all this interference from all other places. And so when you play your instrument, just pay attention to the frequency that it's saying that the note is, and then record that, okay? Because remember, you need 8 distinct frequencies being played by your instrument. Let me know if you have any questions.